Can the U.S. government suspend civil liberties? In recent discussions, a pressing question has emerged. Can the United States government suspend civil liberties? This topic is gaining attention as various events unfold across the nation. Many people are searching for clarity on their rights and the government's powers, especially in light of recent political developments. The United States government cannot simply suspend civil liberties. These rights are safeguarded by the Constitution. However, in extreme situations, such as a declared national emergency or invasion, some rights may be limited or temporarily restricted. For instance, the Constitution allows for the suspension of the writ of habeas corpus during rebellion or invasion when public safety is at risk. This power is tightly controlled and subject to judicial review. Presidents have sometimes sought to expand emergency powers to tackle issues like immigration and national security. This has led to debates about the limits of executive authority and the protection of civil liberties. Courts typically reject overly broad claims of emergency powers but may defer to the executive branch's judgment during emergencies. This raises concerns about potential abuses and threats to constitutional rights. Recently, proposals under initiatives like Project 2025 have sparked worries about efforts to undermine civil rights and liberties. These proposals include targeting First Amendment protections related to protests and voting rights. Critics argue that such actions could erode fundamental freedoms through executive actions aimed at restricting voting access and limiting free speech. Legal challenges often arise in response to executive actions perceived as infringing on civil liberties. Courts play a critical role in reviewing and sometimes blocking government overreach. The balance between national security, emergency powers, and civil liberties remains a contested issue in United States law and politics. While the United States government has some constitutional authority to limit certain civil liberties in extreme situations, these powers are not unlimited. They are subject to legal constraints and judicial oversight to protect individual rights. As discussions continue, it is essential for citizens to stay informed about their rights and the government's responsibilities.